For the past few weeks, we've been taking you down memory lane, and this week is no different.
It's the 80s, 90s party Pepper Seed, and tonight is featuring Bounty Killer.
Me come from Riverton, that are the dungle. Them dispose me. And then the poor people, them call me back and expose me. Down in all the ghetto where the poor have a thing. The politician is the guns, them a thing. Down as a sufferer, long time poor people are suffer. Lord is my light and my salvation.
This is the big bad Bounty.
Tell them, yo, the government policies. Me know your word is right. Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Give us another way, things are really bad.
It was awesome. It was cross, angry, and miserable.
What you like most about it?
His personality, his straight.
Want to kill or give me no originality. The smoke feel boom, I'm a favorite Solely so killer pop, what's the killer pop? You know, tell them when you win, then you must see your team, everything about your good. I'm look to smell, no river no there, no lake no there. We belong to the
Bounty are the real boss for the years, man.
And I slew the devil. Yo, I want to them, yo, want to them boy. Them for know so we have bad people. Who am I ramping? Boy, I think Warlord, no stick and stick sticking up. Me no box out kicking up. Me hear some man I say, a bad girl them want. No, I don't want a bad girl that's good at it. I want a good girl that's good at being bad. Yeah, me no want cranky boy. Me no want skater. Me no want a Jezebel.
A little bit of the old, a little bit of the new, but 100% Bounty Killer.
Boy, these throwbacks are crazy. Up next, the Angel shows us why she's a strong woman. Intense suit forward.